My name is Konstantinos Gavriil. I'm a teacher of physics, and the presentation you are watching is about the order of the operations. So, according to the order of the operations, we have first do the operations inside the brackets. After, we do the indices and powers, or in other words, the exponents. After this, we do the divisions, then the multiplications, then the additions, and finally the subtractions. Let's see an interesting algebraic representation here. We have 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 3. Now we have to choose among 1 and 9. Which one is the right procedure? Let's see. As we said, we do first the division and after the multiplication. And this is true because if we change the order of these operations, then we get a wrong result and different and wrong result. Let's say the right procedure. 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to, because we start from the division, we have 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3, and this is multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9, and this is the right answer. If somebody makes the mistake and change the order and starts from the multiplication, then he will get 9 divided by 9, because he is going to do first the multiplication 3 multiplied by 3, and he will get the wrong answer. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So the right choice and procedure is the one that is circled. Let's see an example. Example number 1. We have this algebraic representation: 2 plus 6 multiplied by 9 divided by 3 multiplied by the representation in the bracket, 2 plus 5 minus 8. According to the order of the operations, we start first from the operations inside the bracket. So we do first 2 plus 5. This is this gives us 7, and in the following line we have 2 plus 6 multiplied by 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 7. 7 is the result of the operation that we have inside the bracket. Okay, 7 minus 8. Now, according to the order again, we have to do first the division. 9 divided by 3. So this gives us 3. In the next line, we have 2 plus 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 minus 8. Now, we have to the next step the multiplication among 6, 3, and 7. From this multiplication, we get 126. And finally, we do the addition, and in the end, the subtraction. So this algebraic representation gives us 120. This is a characteristic example. Let's do another example. Here we have 162, as you see, divided by minus 18, plus the bracket inside has minus 5, minus 10, minus outside of the bracket 2 times, and the bracket minus 33 plus 6. This is equal to, and now we start again by the order of the operations. We begin from the brackets, okay, and we get, and the divisions. We can't do this in this specific occasion the division there because it has nothing to do with the rest of the representation. So we can do 162 divided by minus 18, and this gives us minus 9. And we do also the operations inside the brackets. And the operations give us minus 15 from the first bracket and minus 27 from the second bracket. In the next step, we are doing the operation of the multiplication. This minus 2 multiplied by minus 27. So from this operation, we get plus 54. So in the next line, we have minus 9 plus inside the bracket minus 15 plus 54. Now, we have plus multiplied by minus here. So we get minus. In the next line, we have minus 9 minus 15. Minus 9 minus 15 plus 54. So we end the operation by doing the subtraction and the addition, and we get finally 30. So we must pay attention to the order of the operations. You see here that in the first line, we can do the division, although we have brackets on the right hand of the representation. And we can do this because this division has nothing to do with the next, with the following operations and inside the brackets. You see, if we do the operations in the brackets and leave as it is the division without doing this, it's the same thing, because after we are going to do the division and nothing will change. It's the same thing. It has you must pay attention here, because the division has nothing to do with the rest of the representation. So we can do it. And this is the end of this presentation that had to do with the order of the operations.